Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Card versus Squarespace. Which website builder should you choose? So choosing the right website builder can be tough. Today we're putting two popular options against each other, Card and Squarespace. Both let you create websites, but they are very different. We'll break down the features, pricing, pros and cons to help you decide which one is right for you. And if you're ready to jump in, I've put the links in the description to get you started with both. And starting with the features. Squarespace offers a wide range of features making it suitable for various website types, such as multi-page website, e-commerce websites, with product merchandising, payment processing, and shipping management. You also have scheduling tools, AI-powered design tools, and logo maker. It also has membership site and content monetization capabilities and email marketing integrations. Card, on the other hand, focuses on simple one-page websites. It has an easy-to-use interface, customizable templates, mobile optimization, form building, and limited third-party integrations. As with any service, we'd like to let you know about the pricing. Starting with Squarespace, on an annual basis, you have the personal plan at $16 per month, business at $23 per month, with advanced website analytics. Then you have two Commerce. You have the Commerce Basic at $28 per month and Commerce Advanced at $52 per month. Card, on the other hand, offers very affordable Pro plans billed annually. You have the Pro Lite at $9 per year with 3 sites, the Pro Standard at $19 per year with 10 sites, and the Pro Plus at $49 per year, giving you up to 25 sites. Now here's our recommendation. For Card, the Pro Standard plan at $19 per year is a great option. This plan offers a great balance of features and affordability. It includes custom domain URLs, removes card branding, and provides access to essential tools like forms, widgets, embeds, and Google Analytics. This makes it suitable for individuals or small businesses needing a professional single-page website. For Squarespace, would recommend the Basic plan. For many individuals and small businesses, the Basic plan provides the necessary tools to create a professional online presence. It includes beautiful templates, a free custom domain for the first year, Squarespace AI, and this plan is a good starting point for those needing a more robust multi-page website than Card can provide. And now with the pros and cons so you can be informed. Squarespace with the pros is user-friendly, has powerful e-commerce features, strong marketing tools, and 24/7 support. On the flip side, there is no free tier, no phone support, and can be more expensive than Card. Card, on the other hand, with the pros is very easy to use, very affordable, multiple integrations, and the free option is available. On the flip side, with the cons, there is no built-in marketing or e-commerce features. It also has limited one-page sites. In conclusion, Squarespace is a go-to if you need a robust, comprehensive website builder with e-commerce capabilities, advanced design tools, and support for a multiple-page website. It's ideal for businesses and users who want a professional online presence. Card, on the other hand, is perfect for creating simple, one-page websites quickly and affordably. It's a great option for landing pages, portfolios, or basic online brochures. Ready to build your website? Check out the links in the description to get started with Card or Squarespace and get an easy access. If you found this comparison insightful, do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next one.